Welcome back to the 1Cademy video tutorial series. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at how content is generated in 1Cademy and how users evaluate new content. Let's try creating a new node. I'm going to try and create a new 1Cademy video tutorial node. All new nodes must be the child of an existing node. So, I might consider adding a child node to the 1Cademy node. Before that, I'll use the search function to make sure that the node does not already exist. I can see here that the node already exists, so I don't need to create it. Instead, I'll try to create a node to link to the first video of the series. To create a new node, expand the existing node that you want to parent your new node to and click on the Proposals button. This will open up the Proposals sidebar. At the top of the sidebar are options to create child nodes of each node type. When you select one, a new node will appear with a number of text fields. Here you can enter the node's title and content. You can also add an image by clicking on the Image button. You can switch between writing in standard text and in rich text format by clicking on this symbol here. Below that is a section to write your reasoning for proposing the change. This text will not appear on the node itself, but will exist on the proposal so that other 1Cademy users can understand the purpose of your proposal. You can cancel your proposal at any time by clicking the X in the upper left-hand corner of the sidebar. To finish, click on the Propose New Node button. Editing an existing node works in much the same way as adding a new node. Expand a node and open up its Proposals menu. Click on the Edit or Improve this node button. Now you can change the node content just like creating a new node. Remember to add your proposal explanation below. And propose your new changes. You can also change the node's tags, references, and child and parent relations. Nodes in 1Cademy will have numbers indicating the number of upvotes and downvotes on them. A high number of upvotes indicate that users think the node is helpful in its current state and does not need any additional changes. A high number of downvotes indicates that users think that the node is unhelpful and should be removed from the map. If the number of downvotes ever exceeds the number of upvotes in a node, then 1Cademy will delete that node and any of its links. If you are the user that is giving the last downvote, then a pop-up will appear to confirm that you wish to delete that node. In most cases, proposals are not automatically implemented onto the map. Approval is dependent on the current number of net votes, upvotes minus downvotes, on the node where changes are being proposed on. When adding a proposal, if the net votes on the node is less than or equal to 2, then the proposal is immediately approved and added to the map. If the number of net votes is greater than 2, then the proposal is put up for evaluation by the other users of 1Cademy. When the proposal has upvotes greater than or equal to half of the net votes, the proposal is approved and added to the map. For example, this 1Cademy node has 18 upvotes and 0 downvotes. In order for any changes to happen to the node, a proposal will require 9 upvotes. Another example is shown here with the COVID-19 node. This node currently has 9 upvotes and 3 downvotes, giving it a total number of 6 net votes. Therefore, for any proposals to go through on this node, I would need 3 net votes on my proposal. Let's take a look again at the previous example of adding a new node and editing an existing node. In this case, the changes were implemented immediately because the 1Cademy video tutorial node currently has a low number of net votes. However, if I, for example, wanted to propose a change on the 1Cademy node, such as changing some of its existing links, then the node is not immediately changed. Instead, it is then added to a list of existing proposals. Let's take a closer look at the process of evaluating other users' proposals. If we open up the Pending Proposals menu, we'll see a complete list of the currently pending proposals for all of the nodes of your default tag. We can also open up the Proposals menu on an individual node. You can see here that the node has a current net value of 3 votes. Therefore, in order for a proposal to pass, it would need 2 or more upvotes. We can look at proposed changes by clicking on them in the Proposals menu. Here, we should see a more in-depth look of what change is being proposed. Since everything here looks satisfactory, I am going to upvote this proposal to try and implement it onto the map. Now that the proposal has received the appropriate number of upvotes, the change is now immediately implemented for all other users. In this video, we've gone over the proposal and voting process in 1Cademy. In the next video, we'll go over several tools that will make navigation and filtering easier, as well as interactions with other users.